Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce myself. My name is Andi Sinar Bulan Purnama. Student ID number is 223501013. Here I will discuss the final introduction to linguistics, a segment entitled Place and Manner of Articulation. The first is definition, place of articulation. The place of articulation refers to the location in the vocal tract where the airflow is constricted to produce a speech sound. The RH primary place of articulation is bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, postalveolar, palatal, velar, and glottal. Each place of articulation is associated with specific consonant sounds produced by the contact or near contact of speech organ. The next is manner of articulation. Manner of articulation refers to how the airflow is obstructed or modified in the vocal tract to produce speech sounds. There are six primary manners of articulation is plosive, nasal, fricative, affricate, lateral, and approximant. Each manner of articulation is associated with specific consonant sounds produced by the degree and type of construction in the vocal tract. Next, the description of place of articulation. The first is bilabial. Bilabial produced by lower and upper lips such as P, B, and M. The second, labiodental, is produced by lower lip and upper front teeth such as F and V. The third is dental, produced by lip of blade of the tongue and the upper front teeth such as T and D. The fourth is alveolar, produced by tip or blade of the tongue and the alveolar ridge of the gum such as T, D, N, S, Z, R, L. The fifth, palatal alveolar, produced by the blade of the tongue and the back part of the alveolar ridge such as S and Z. The sixth, palatal, produced by front of the tongue and the hard palate such as J. The seventh, velar, produced by back on and the tongue and the velum or soft palate such as K, G, Ng, and W. The eighth, glottal, produced in the epiglottis such as H. Next, the description of manner of articulation. The first is plosive, produced by the obstruction of airstream from the lungs followed by a reverse of the airstream, such as P, B, T, D, K, and G. The second, nasal, produced by the release of the air through the nasal cavity, such as M and N. The third, fricative, produced by the release of a fictional-like noise created by the airstream escaping through a variant of narrow gaps in the mouth such as F, V, T, and D. The fourth, lateral approximant, produced by the obstruction of the airstream at a point along the center of the oral tract with incomplete closure between one or both sides of the tongue and the roof of the tongue, such as L. The fifth is approximant, produced by proximity or closeness of two articulators with harsh turbulence or hard movement and fictional-like noise, such as W, R, and G. The sixth, affricate, produced by involving more than one of the manner of articulation, firstly produced by sounds in the alveolar ridge, then followed by or combined with fricative sounds such as S and Z.